Do you want something quick? Do you want something easy? How about this TikTok craze? TikTok Taco Ravioli! Spice up that Taco Tuesday. Let's do it! Cook up some peppers and onions. Add some taco seasoning and let them cook. Grab your baking dish and add some beef ravioli. Add a jar of any style of salsa. Add those peppers and onions. Some Mexican style cheese blend. Cover it up in film. Then we're gonna stick it in a 350-degree oven for 50 minutes. Let's give them something to talk about. Let's scoop it out. Serve with sour cream and a little green onion. TikTok Taco Ravioli. Spicy. I made some fish tacos the other day, but they just ignored them and swam away.